How to change your YouTube profile picture. So first of all, go to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and make sure that you have the correct channel selected. If not, click on Switch Account. Now, click on View Your Channel option and then click on Customize Channel. It will take you to the channel customization page. From here, hover your mouse to the Pictures section and then click on Upload or Edit. And before you upload a picture, make sure that the image is PNG or GIF format. Select an image and then click on Done. Click on Publish in the top right corner and you'll be done. This is exactly how you can upload or edit or change profile picture on YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.